Customizing your car has always been a goal of car crazy enthusiasts worldwide. One of the newest trends is to fully morph the look and style of your vehicle, both inside and out, utilizing vinyl wraps such as Wraptivo, designer car wraps by Meguiar's. These designer wraps come in a variety of matte colors and textures such as carbon fiber and brushed metals. To keep these wraps looking their absolute best and protected from the harsh elements, it's important to use the right products. To begin with, many products designed for traditional glossy paint finishes, especially compounds and swirl removers, should be avoided on all matte and textured vinyl wraps. However, we do offer 3 easy-to-use products that can safely be used on all colors and textures of designer wraps, including Wraptivo, to keep them looking their absolute best. For regular washing, a car wash designed for automotive surfaces, such as Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax, is your best choice. It's strong enough to remove road film and debris, yet gentle enough not to harm your delicate vinyl surfaces. Remember to follow directions and always use the proper dilution. For wax protection, we recommend Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax. It's completely safe on all types of vinyl wrap surfaces, including matte and carbon fiber. It provides Meguiar's durable polymer protection while creating extreme water beading. It's the best choice to keep your vinyl wrap looking brand new without affecting the sheen or texture. If you are looking to maintain your car and keep it looking like it was just detailed, Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Detailer is your go-to product. It's the perfect choice on all forms of vinyl wraps for removing light dust or fingerprints on a regular basis. Simply mist on and wipe off, and your car will look like it was just detailed. As designer wraps, like Wraptivo, continue to grow in popularity, you can trust that Meguiar's will continue to offer brilliant solutions. For additional detailing tips and techniques, call our Surface Care specialist or visit Meguiars.com.